boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. WIZ KHALIFA here with a song called Peace and Love. Very simple to play this one. We have 4 very easy chords. They will go in the same order through the entire song. Let's look at this one. So, capo on the 1st fret. With that, we have the easiest chords possible. So let's put your capo there and yeah, let's look at the chords. Like I mentioned, 4 of them. So we'll start with C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next one is A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. E minor next. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so it will go in that order: C, A minor, E minor, and D. And we have 2 different strumming patterns we'll look at. So the first one is just 4 downs. That is 1 round, so like this. I shall play it 8 now, so that is 2 rounds. So 1 round is. Alright. So you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. That will be in total of 8 downs. So with that corporation, C, A minor, E minor, and D, it will sound like this. So that is the first version. It's played in a song, but it is also played with a beat, and that is what we're going to learn now. So the next version here will be down, up, clap, up. So that is 1 round. So let's go back to C again. Down, up, clap, up. Goes like this. All right. So down, up, clap, up. That is 1 round. You're going to play this again 2 strumming rounds per chord. So C2, A minor 2, E minor 2, and D2 sounds like this. So you can go back and forth with this strumming patterns, play a little bit with it. WIZ KHALIFA's Peace and Love. Hope this was helpful, guys. And if it was, please let me know. Thumb up. And until next time, play tuned.